Yes, everyone. Can anyone please confirm? Are able to hear my voice? Are able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, for the testing purpose, everyone unmute. Say good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good
What
morning,
about
sir.
others?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Everyone, be active. Be active, everyone. Be active, okay? Wherever, for example, I will tell you one thing, everyone. Wherever you are sitting for listening the class, you take one sketch pen and one big paper. Write, I want 2 lakh rupees salary per month and stick on the wall. So whenever you are listening the class, whenever you are reading the interview question and answers, always you want to see that sticker. Okay. I want 2 lakh rupees salary per month. How much efforts I want to put? I want 1.5 lakhs per month. How much efforts I want to put? Okay. So put one target, everyone. Put one target. Okay. I'm as a faculty, anyone, I will tell you one thing. For example, everyone, I will show you one thing actually. Did anybody knows? Here I will show you one thing. Hmm. Everyone, for this is the Apple logo, right? Why this cut mark is there? Anybody knows? Apple means full apple is want, right? Why this cut mark is there? Anybody knows? Everyone knows? Yes, no? This is the Apple logo actually. So there is some cut is there. Why? Hare Krishna, please respond.
Don't know, sir.
Don't know, sir.
I will tell you. I will tell you, everyone. So what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this cut means? Apple means we want full apple. Why somebody eat something? They tasted something. Okay. What is the meaning of that means? We tasted, not for tested. We taste. We tasted this apple. This is very beautiful. So kindly experience you also. For example, do you know in Ramayana there is one person is called Sabari. Do you know what Sabari will do? First he tasted some foods, some foods, and he will give to the Rama. So what Sabari will say? Hello Rama, I tasted this food and it is very good. Then you can also eat. My dear students, same phenomena applicable here also. I saw many students' life stories. I saw many students' life stories. Even future, I will see in your life also. SAP is a life-changing software. Once if you get SAP job, your life became after SAP and before SAP. My dear students, don't be and neglect each and every point. Be active, be sportive, be active. Okay. Now we are very less practice. After 1 week, after 20 days, we are want to increase the practice. Then after some time, we will share interview question and answers and all. Okay. Even I tasted. I am also one of the SAP employee, right? So I tasted. It is very beautiful. Welcome. You also can taste. Okay. So SAP is a very once if you get SAP job, your life must be before SAP and after SAP. Just imagine everyone, just imagine. Once if you get 1.5 lakh rupees salary per month, how your life became. Just imagine. In case if you are a bachelor, in case if you are a bachelor, you are you are earning more than 1 lakh per month. How your life became. Just imagine. My dear students, please concentrate. Listen carefully. Okay? Don't neglect each and every point. Kindly join on time. Be on time, everyone. Be on time. Okay. So if you are in on time, if you are waiting for me, then I also more interested. If you are people interested, then faculty also more interested to give some more points. In case if you are not, people are not interested, okay, chalo, they are not interested. Let us close the class as soon as possible. Like that, we faculty, every faculty will think. Okay, be active, be sportive, practice well. Coming days, we will share interview question and answers. Every day, read interview question and answers. Okay, we'll get good job, everyone. Say yes, no, okay, everyone. Say yes, no, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone. So, my dear students, in the last class, I will tell you one thing, everyone. In the last class, we discussed about chart of accounts. So, I can ask one question. What is meant by chart of accounts? Chart of accounts means
List of GL.
List of ledger accounts.
list of GL accounts. List of GL account. GL accounts means rent account, cash account, commission paid account, etc. So we have three types of chart of accounts. What is that? One is operational chart of
Yes.
accounts, country specific chart of accounts, and group chart of accounts. What is meant by operational chart of accounts? Whatever GLs you can use day-to-day business transaction, that GLs we are called as a operational chart of accounts. What is meant by country specific chart of accounts? Country specific chart of accounts means whatever GLs we can use for this specific country, we are called as a country specific chart of accounts. What is meant by group chart of accounts? What this is the GLs we can use for the high level reporting purpose, corporate reporting purpose we can use. My dear students, yesterday we discussed what is meant by that. Let us start the configuration. First one, what is this? Edit chart of account list. My dear students, before going to that, I will tell you one thing. What is my company code, everyone? What is my company code? Tell me. Everyone, what is my company code? Yes, no?
11, JK11, JK12.
JK11 and JK12. My dear students, everyone, concentrate here. I changed my server, everyone. I changed my server. I created new company codes. What is new company codes? JB11 and JB12. I changed my server. On new server, we created new company codes. What is my company codes? JB11 and JB12. So now onwards, I can use this company code. Clear? Clear so far? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Clear, clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So my dear students, concentrate here. Let us open SAP. Open SAP, everyone. Yes. Sindhu ma'am joined. Huh? Sindhu, are you there? Yeah, everyone, concentrate here, everyone. Listen careful. Listen careful, everyone. Now I want to configure edit chart of account list. Next, assign company code to chart of accounts. Next, define accounts group. You try to understand these three steps, everyone. If you properly understand, everything will come into the picture. Everyone, concentrate here. Listen careful. So what is the path, everyone? T code is called OB13. What is the path? SPRO, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparation, edit chart of account list. This is the path, everyone. Let's go to the path. My dear students, concentrate here. Go to SPRO, enter SAP reference IMG, select here financial accounting global, general ledger accounting, master records, GL accounts, preparation. Here everyone, here you can concentrate here. One is edit chart of account list. One is assign company code to chart of accounts. One is define accounts group. One is retained earning account. These 4 steps we have to do, everyone. These 4 steps we have to do. What is the first one? Edit chart of account list. Assign company code to chart of accounts. Then define accounts group and define retained earning account. So this is the path, everyone. Financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master record, GL accounts, preparation, and edit chart of account list. Then how we can see the T code? How we can see the T code? Go to additional information, display keys, and IMG activities. IMG activities. Last 4 digits is the T code, everyone. Example, OB13, OB62, OBD4, OB53. This is the T codes, everyone. This is the path. My dear students, now my target is how to create the chart of accounts. How to create the chart of accounts. In case if you want to understand the chart of accounts, just go through this document, everyone. Just go through this document. If you want to understand the chart of accounts, just go through this document. This document can explain more information about chart of accounts. No, sir, we understood how to create chart of accounts. Very simple, everyone. You just double click on this execute button. Click on your new entry. Set up here any 4 digit and write the description. So what is the 4 digit? Example, I am set up JBOC. What is mean by that? JB operational chart of accounts. JB operational chart of accounts. Then here language English. Language is English. Length of GL accounts. Length of GL accounts. Everyone. For example, here if I enter 99. Example, here if I enter 99. What happened? Here if I enter 99, what happened? Length of GL accounts. Why length of GL accounts changed? One second, everyone. Let's check old server. Why they changed? One second. Checking ECC, everyone. They changed in 2023. Yeah. Everyone, concentrated, my dear students. Here, for example, everyone, here you can enter standard 99, everyone. Then press enter and save. For example, what is mean by length of GL account number? Length of GL account number. For example, my dear students, let us assume here if I enter 1. Here if I enter 1, everyone. What happened? Here if I enter 1, what happened? Here I can create, here under this chart of accounts, I can create only 9 GLs, everyone. How many GLs is possible to create? Only 9 GLs, single digit. For example, rent account 1 GL, cash account 1 GL, commission paid account 1 GL, commission received account 1 GL, like that. For example, if I enter 2, what happened? It is possible to create 99 GLs. It is possible to create 99 GLs, everyone. 99 means rent account is 1 GL, cash account is 1 GL, commission paid account is 1 GL, commission received account is 1 GL, like that. How many GLs is possible to create? 99 GLs is possible to create. For example, here if I enter 3, so under this chart of accounts, how many GLs is possible to create? Anyone? 1,
999.
999 GLs is possible to create under this chart of accounts. For example, everyone, let us assume here I can enter, let us assume 6, number 6. How many GLs is possible to create? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
1
6.
billion.
So this many GLs is possible to create. Maximum, everyone, for example, maximum in the real time, they will set up 10 digit, everyone. Maximum here, they will set up 10 digit. So some 70 to 80% of people set up 66 or 8. 6 or 8. For example, if I enter 6, what happened? If I enter 6, what happened? This many GLs is possible to create. 9,99,999 GLs is possible to create under this chart of accounts. So my dear students, here everyone, set up here any 4 digit and write the description, language English, and length of the GL account 6. 6 means under this chart of accounts is possible to create 9,99,999 GLs is I want to create. Okay. Maximum in the real time suggestible is either 6 or either 8. Press enter, click on your save. Press enter, click on your save, everyone. The next one, my dear students. So what is my chart of accounts? My chart of accounts is JBOC. Then what is my company codes? My company code is JB11 and JB12. So now I have to assign, I want to assign my chart of accounts to my company codes. My chart of accounts to my company codes, everyone. Here I want to assign like this. Why? Because system want to understand this chart of accounts is belongs to which company code. This chart of accounts is belongs to which company code. System want to understand. One is create chart of accounts. Next one is sign or map this chart of accounts to company codes. Okay. Let us go there. Here, click on your save and one step back, back again. Next one, everyone. Next one. Assign company code to chart of accounts. You just double click on this execute button. Here there is a no new entry button here, everyone. Yesterday one student is called me, sir, during the assignment there is a no new entry. Here you are unable to find new entry. Okay. Here click on your position. One student is sent message, sir, assignment of company code and company, there is a no new entry. During the assignment, not required new entry. What we need to do? Click on your position, enter here your company code. What is the company code? JB11. So this is my company codes. This is my company codes. Here you want to assign your chart of accounts. JBOC. Here JBOC. Here. So what is this? This is my company codes. This is my company codes. This is my chart of accounts. Click on here, save. Why we are assigning? So system want to understand this chart of accounts is belongs to which accounts code, which company code. This chart of accounts is belongs to which company code. System want to understand. System want to understand, everyone. Click on here, save and back. I am repeating once again, everyone, for my satisfaction. Listen careful, my dear students. First one, Edit chart of accounts. First one is edit chart of accounts. Set up here any 4-digit. Write the description. Language English. Length of the GL is 6. See, this group chart of accounts we'll discuss later, everyone. Not required now. Then click on here, save and back. Later. So this chart of accounts, we want to assign our company codes. Assign company code to chart of accounts. Click on your position, JB11. Here, this is my company codes. This is my chart of accounts. This is my chart of accounts. The next one is very, 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 very important. What is this? The very, very, very important. What is this? Define accounts group. Here I will ask one question, everyone. Here I will ask one question. How many people, anyone knows Tally software? Tally, anyone knows?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. I know.
In the Tally, do you know undergroups? What is mean by undergroups?
I know, sir.
What is that? Explain.
Expenditure direct and indirect expenses.
For example, everyone, in the Tally, we are called as a undergroups. Here, we are called as a accounts group. In the Tally, we have predefined undergroups. Undergroups already is there. Not required to create any undergroups in Tally. It is standard. In case if you want to create, if you create, but there is a standard, maybe subject to correction, 24 undergroups is there in Tally. For example, everyone, concentrate here. In Tally, how the undergroups can behave in SAP, same way accounts group can behave. My dear students, listen carefully. Some people does not know Tally. How to understand what is meant by accounts group? What is meant by define accounts group? What is meant by this? How we can understand this? Very, very important, everyone. Very, very important. For example, everyone, concentrate here. One is accounts group. One is GLs. GLs or GL. This is GL accounts group and this is the GL. I can ask one question. Please respond, everyone. What is meant by group? Group means what? Just definition of group. Can anyone tell me? Group means
One
what?
or more persons.
Group. Anyone? Very good. What is the meaning of group?
Combination of many things, many items are included.
One or more, good answer. Combination of many things, yes. For example, everyone, here I will concentrate here. One is accounts group and one is GL accounts. Try to understand here. Try to understand here. I have 4 accounts group, everyone. Example I'm telling, listen carefully. Listen, everyone. Example I'm telling, I have 4 accounts group. One is example I'm telling. Expenses. In expenses, I'm giving one number 100 to 200. I'm giving here income 200, 201 to 300. And later I'm giving assets 301 to 400. And later I'm giving liabilities 401 to 500. 401 to 500. So what is this? What is this? This is called accounts group. This is called accounts group. Example I'm taking. My dear students, now you can tell me rent account comes under which group, everyone? I have 4 groups here. Rent account comes under which group?
Expenses.
Expenses. So rent is the GL accounts. This is the accounts groups. Expenses, income, assets, liability. Here I maintain one number range from this number to this number. For example, everyone, for example, if you go to any exam, in this room, this number to this number, in room number 3, this number to this number, room number 5, this number to this number. So you have one hall ticket number. So your hall ticket number comes under which number? So we need to go that room. Are you following, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Similar way.
Yes, sir.
Similar way, everyone. Here we will set up one number range. Here we will set up one number range. So rent is the expenses. So here, for example, rent account, rent, for example, everyone, rent account, first number 100. So commission paid comes under
Expenses, sir.
7.
Liability.
Commission paid account number is 101. 101. Example I will ask. Buildings account comes under buildings account.
Asset.
Buildings account comes under asset. So what is the number will come? First number
30.
301.
buildings account 301. And example I want to create commission received comes under
Income.
income.
Asset.
Commission received is commission received income.
Income.
Commission received income. Number is 201.
201.
Example I want to create rent received comes under
Income.
Income also.
income. Next number rent received comes under income
202.
202. I want to create miscellaneous expenses comes under
Expenses.
expenses. Number
102.
102.
102.
102 or 102, whatever. Secure loan comes under
Liabilities.
liabilities. Number, what is the number we'll allocate?
401.
401. So for example, everyone, in case I want to use rent GL, simply I can enter rent number 100. For example, I want to use in the future, I want to use commission received account. Simply I can enter 201. In the future, I want to use building account. Simply I can enter 301. So what is this? This is called accounts group. This is called GL accounts. Example, everyone. This is called GL accounts. Example, loan account. Huh? 1 second, everyone. For example, loan account, what number will come? Example
401.
401 will come. So for example, what you people understood, everyone, if you want to create the GLs, first we want to set accounts group. First we need to set accounts group. So example, I taken 4 accounts group. In the real time, many accounts group, everyone. In the real time, many accounts group. What is that? Can you please note it on this? Can you please note it down this? Can you please note it down this, everyone? Done, sir? Noted?
Noted, sir.
Very good, madam. Everyone, am I going fast? Yes, no?
No, sir.
Very. Yeah. Note it down one note, everyone. Note it down one note. Put the heading of accounts group, GL accounts group. Put the heading of GL accounts group. Accounts group is note it down clearly. Please note it down. Accounts group is classify the GLs. Accounts group is classify the GLs. Classify the GLs. During the accounts group creation, full stop. Accounts group is classify the GLs. Full stop. Next one. During the accounts group creation, we will set up one number range. Guys, whenever I'm explaining, don't write. I will give you time to write, okay? That time only you have to write. Otherwise, you will miss some words, some points, okay? Note it down. During the accounts group creation, we want to set up one number range. This number range will reflected. This number range will reflected.
Hello.
This number range will reflected. Hare Krishna. Shivaji, go on mute, sir. This number range will reflected when you create the GL. This number range will reflected when you create the GL. Full stop. Next line. It means when you create any GL, it means when you create any GL, one number will reflected or one number will going to allocate. Like for more clarification, one number will going to allocate. That number will reflected from accounts group number range. That number will reflected from accounts group number range. Guys, can anyone please read the note? Remaining people check it out. What you
Sir,
noted?
accounts
Yeah,
group
please.
classify the GL.
Slowly with loud voice, madam. Slowly
Okay,
with
sir.
loud voice. Yeah, go ahead.
Accounts group is classify the GLs. During the accounts group creation, we want to set up a number range. This number range will reflect when you create the GL. It means when you create any GL, one number will be allocated from accounts group number range.
Account group number range. Everyone, example I taken 4 accounts group everyone. But in the real time, many accounts group. For example, let's see here everyone. For example, let's see here expense liabilities. Liabilities I divided into this many accounts group. Example, share capital, reserves and surplus, secure loan, unsecured loan, sundry creditor, tax payable, current liabilities. So these all are liability accounts group. Example everyone, let us assume share capital is one accounts group everyone. Share capital is one accounts group. Here you can understood everyone. Share capital is one accounts group. What number we set up? 1000002 109999. So this is accounts group and this is the number range. Under this, Ramesh capital account 10000. Suresh capital account 10001. What is this? This is called GLs and this is called accounts group. This is called accounts group. So how to create the accounts group in SAP? How to create accounts group in SAP? So before first let us create accounts group. In case of any doubts, we will discuss everyone. Okay. So what is the path to create accounts group? This is the path everyone. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparation. Here, define accounts group. Define accounts group everyone. Here. So in case if you want to understand more, double click on this execute button. Here you can see. For example, for your understanding purpose, can you please note it down this everyone, selected one. Note it down this first one everyone. Note it down this. Note it down this first point everyone.
Sir, not visible only. Can you please read now?
Now?
Yeah, now it's fine.
Yeah, yes. Vani madam, are you following Vani madam?
Yes, sir, I'm following, sir. Now it is visible. I can make a note.
Yeah. Good madam, good. Done sir, completed?
Done,
Just
sir.
first point. Yeah. So now I want to create accounts group. Very simple everyone. Double click on this define accounts group. Do one thing, एक काम कर दो. Yeah. For example, everyone, and here you can concentrate here. Yeah. For example, my dear students, concentrate here everyone. For your understanding purpose, I am going through path. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, select here, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master records, GL accounts, here preparation, this one, here everyone, this one. Define accounts group everyone. So you just double click on this execute button. Click on your new entry. Click on your new entry. Now you can tell me. What is your chart of accounts, everyone? Just now we created chart of accounts. What is our chart of accounts? JBOC. JBOC. Accounts group. Set up here up to 6 digit. It may be numerical or it may be alphabets. Example, SHCA. Set up anything. Set up here any name or up to 6 digit. And here you can write the description. What is the description? Share capital. Share capital. What is the number? 1000000 and 109999. This is one accounts group. Next one. JBOC. Again, share capital. Chart of accounts. Then reserves and surplus. R and S. Reserves and surplus. Reserves and surplus. Number 110000 and 1109999. Do you remember? I maintain 6 digit, everyone. I maintain 6 digit. Here I also am taking 6 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And here, see and enjoy, everyone, how I can create JBOC and SELS, secured loan, and 120000 1209999. The next one, JBOC, UNLS, unsecured loan, loan 130000 139999. Next one, JBOC. Next one, SUCR. Set up here. This is not a standard, everyone. This is not a standard. Set up here any name, any up to 6 digit, and write the description. Here, sundry creditors. What is meant by sundry creditor means? Sundry creditor bole to what is that? Anyone?
Creditors.
Customers.
Account
Sundry
payable.
creditor.
We are we are buying
Who owes the
goods
money?
on credit from the
Credit
supplier.
purchase.
Simple terminology, sundry creditor means vendors. Sundry creditor means vendors. Sundry debitor means customers. That's it. JBOC, TAPA, tax payable. What is the number? Just see and enjoy. Okay. 1515099 and 99. The next one, JBOC, CAULI, current liability. Current liability. What is the number? 160000 1609999. The
Sir,
next
you are
one.
giving, one digit extra, no, sir. It will take, no, sir.
1 digit extra, na?
Yes, sir.
Where?
From second onwards.
Only 6 you have to take now, Angat. From reserves and
Only
surplus.
6 we need to take. Yeah.
Oh.
I'm taking 6. Yeah.
But 7 is there.
Okay. Sorry. It's my bad.
You need to remove 0. I think.
No, instead of 0, I can remove 9, madam. Okay, everyone. Anything you can, okay? Otherwise, you can remove the 0 also, fine. Like this. Next one, here assets. Let's create the assets. JB was Hare Krishna. Here, JBOC, FIAS, fixed asset. Give me one example of fixed asset.
Land.
Building, sir.
Building.
Car.
Furniture.
Land.
Fixed deposit.
Land.
JBOC, very good, everyone. INES, inventory. Give me example of inventories.
Spare part.
Raw materials, unfinished goods.
Okay. Cash and 220000 229999. JBOC. Sundry. What is the difference between sundry debitor and sundry creditor?
Customer and
Sundry
vendor.
creditor also purchase of the goods. Debtor also sell that.
Customer and vendor.
Customer and vendor. Very good. PARE and tax receivable. What is the difference between tax receivables and tax payable? Everything will come later, but what is your knowledge? I am checking. Tell me. Difference between tax receivable and payable.
Tax
refund
receivable is what you tax receivable is what you
Release.
collect. Payable is what you pay to the government.
So tax receivable reflected during the purchases or sale.
Purchases, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tax receivable sales. Tax payable is purchase.
Amount to pay to the customer, to the vendor for goods you bought.
Non-commerce students, don't worry about that. I will explain. Okay, don't worry. Don't fear. Okay, and tax receivable and JDOC, TCUAS. Current asset. The difference between current asset and current liability.
We can convert the asset into not if the asset has a useful life of within 12 months current asset, and it's more than 12 months means it's a non-current asset.
Very
On the
good.
date of reporting point, it will be repayable on or recoverable on demand.
Very good. Mhm. JBOC. Give me one example difference between current assets and current liability.
Current assets, cash in and cash at bank. This current assets. Liabilities, bills payable, creditors.
Sir, accounts payables and receivables.
Sales is the expenses or income?
Income, sir.
Sir.
Purchases, expenses or income?
Sales or expenses.
Don't write, just listen. In the practice material, all the things is there. Did you observe? Anyone? And
Yes, Wings.
feeling bored? No?
No, sir.
Personal expenses. 410000 419999. So BOC SATI sales and distribution expenses. 420000 429999. The next one. ABOC other expenses. I'm adding one more here. The other expenses. Other expenses, everyone. Four 00002 4399. I'm adding one more group actually. JBOC. INEX. Indirect. Expenses 440000 449999. Everyone, let's see here. Here, do one thing. Remove the 9. Yeah. So everyone, here you can observe this is the accounts group, everyone. Except this, we can add our own. Maybe this thing is not in your practice material. You can add this thing. JBOC, set up here any 4-digit. Other expenses, this number to this number. And JBOC, set up here any 4-digit. Indirect expenses, this number to this number. And this is the accounts group. Click on here, save and back. My dear students, I will explain one flow, everyone. I will explain one flow. In this flow, you have to explain in the interview. Everyone, very, very important, everyone. Concentrate here, my dear students. Concentrate here. Listen carefully. Listen carefully, everyone. First step, what I did, everyone. First step, what I did. Anyone? I created chart of accounts. First step, I created chart of accounts. So what is my chart of accounts? What is my chart of account? JBOC. JBOC. So next step, what I did? I assigned this chart of accounts to company codes. assign chart of accounts to company code. Company codes. What is my company codes? Example, JP 11 JB 12. Everyone listen careful. Don't write, listen, just listen. If you properly listen, then not required to write anything. Just listen. Okay. First we created chart of accounts. This chart of accounts we are assigned to company codes. Under this chart of accounts, we are going to create accounts group. We are going to create accounts group. See, here you can observe everyone. Here we are giving chart of accounts. Here we are giving chart of accounts. It means under this chart of accounts, we are creating accounts group. Okay. Under this chart of accounts, we are creating accounts group. What is the example? Expenses, incomes, assets, liability, blah, 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 XYZ. Under this accounts group, we will create the example. This is the examples, everyone. What is the examples? Maybe examples we deleted. Okay. What is the example? Personal expenses and all. Okay. And examples you noted now. And under this accounts group, we are going to create the GLs. We are going to create the GLs. What is the GLs examples? Example, rent account, cash account, and blah, 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 XYZ. Okay. And accounts group means expenses, incomes, liabilities. We are set up one number range and all. Under the accounts group, we will create the GLs. Based on the GLs, we will post accounting entries. We will post accounting entries. Accounting entry means in the SAP terminology, we are called as a document entry posting. Document entry posting means in the financial perspective, accounting entry posting. Based on the accounting entry posting, we will generate the reports. We will generate the reports, everyone. I'm repeating once again. First, we will set up chart of accounts, everyone. This chart of accounts, we are going to assign with our company codes. Under this chart of accounts, we are going to create accounts group. Under this accounts group, we will create the GLs. Based on the GLs, we will post accounting entries. Means we are called as a document entry posting. Based on the document entry posting, we will generate the reports. Understood, everyone? Did you get my point? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Note it down. Flow chart.
Any other example of chart of accounts?
Chart of accounts. Chart of accounts is one hierarchy. Chart of accounts is one hierarchy. Our main target is to create the GLs. Our main target is I want to create the GLs. If you want to create the GLs, you want to set up this configuration.
So what that means operational.
First, go on mute. I will give you time to ask the question, sir. Please, First, go on mute. I will give you time to. Okay. Wait, I will give you. Please note it down side. Everyone, put the heading of. Put the heading of. Chart of accounts flow chart. Chart of accounts flow chart. Note it down this, everyone. Once you completed, please respond.
Done, sir.
Now you time to ask the questions, everyone. One by one you can ask. Go ahead. Ask the question, sir. Now time to ask the question. Feel free to ask the questions. Go ahead.
Sir, can we create one with the account group details and copy from there and paste can here in
Create
OBD4
manually. Create
manually?
manually.
Okay.
Why? By copy paste? Create practice, my dear student.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay. Create manual. I'm creating manual. Why not you create? Tell
Okay,
me.
sir.
We need to create.
Next question. Go ahead, Sakshi ji.
But in real time also we need to create like that.
Yes. Why not?
Sir, I have one question.
Hmm.
Sir, this was a standard template which you had created for accounts group.
Maximum, sir. 90% of people follow same thing. In case
Even
some
in
people.
real time. Even in real time also, sir.
That's what I'm asking, sir. In the real time, 90% of clients, they follow same phenomena. Maybe some clients will ask some more accounts group based on their convenience. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
very good,
sir.
sir.
I have a doubt regarding GL codes. So in the example you have given, like example expenses 100 to 200, right? So in this we have taken rent commission 101, 102 like that. But in the system you have entered different numbers. I can see those are expenses are like
Examples, my dear. 100 to 200. I take an example. Here we created, for example, rent comes under indirect expenses. Number will come 440000. Commission received 440001. This number. Got it? My point.
Okay.
You mean the segregated, Venkat, the respective expenses for the code also, correct, no?
For more reporting purpose.
For reporting purpose.
It's
So once
more classification. More classification.
I thought like share capital is a liability, secured loan CL.
No, not like that, right? Actually.
So I
for
thought
example, see, you thought, let me understand one thing. For example, all these yellow colors, all are liabilities only. Secured loans also liability, reserves and surplus also liability, all are liabilities. Instead of creating only one liability, we can classify some more liabilities for the reporting purpose.
Okay.
Got it, my point?
Yes, sir.
For the more reporting what we called more classification, more flexibility. Even you can create only one accounts group, that is called liability. Example, we can create only one accounts group, that is called liability 1000002 and 16999999, like that. So you can create all liabilities under this group. So what I did, for more flexibility, we are giving to the client. Instead of one, we are giving more.
Yeah, got
Example.
it, sir. Thank you.
Got it?
Got it, sir. Thank you.
For more flexibility of the client. 90% of clients follow same thing, everyone. And other clients also some add on some more accounts groups. Okay.
Sir,
For
I
example,
have a
go ahead.
Sir, what happens if the number range gets exhausted?
Number range, actually, it's not a standard. You can set up any number range. Okay. Instead of set up any number range, we can take approval. We can explain this process to the client. We will take approval from the client. See here, for example, here I set up 1000002 10999. So this number is not a standard. I set up my own number range. Got it, my point? For the client understanding purpose, what we did, all the liabilities start from 1. All the assets start from 2. All the incomes start from the 3. All the expenses start from 4. For client understanding purpose, more flexibility. Do you observe here? Set up here any number range, but flexibility is important, right?
That is correct, actually. If you see this, based on the segregation, you will understand easily what are the liabilities and the assets. I mean, incomes and expenses. So quick.
Yeah,
I
good,
think
good, sir.
Mr. has said that it's the client's call and we should explain him about this and tell the client how much number range he wants. I think maybe I'm right, sir. You get, sir.
Yes, answer is yes. Very good. Okay, everyone. If you do not have any other doubts, we'll meet tomorrow. Remaining topics. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Please practice.
Thank
Guys, one
you.
more thing. One second. One second.
Yes, sir.
And once again, everyone. So please practice this accounts group. Take the picture and post into the group. I want to check how you are creating and all. Set up, create this accounts group. I mean, set up chart of accounts, assign chart of accounts to company code, define accounts group. Create this all accounts group in SAP. Take the picture and post into the group. I will verify you are doing correct or not. Okay. Okay. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Yeah.